What a waste. What a waste of a resource. The train and the train tracks. What a terrible waste. How many people have told me they'd go down to Boston far more often if it was a train? Which means that people from Boston in that area would come up here. Let's walk the decayed tracks on this side. During the 2014 campaign, a journalist from the Wall Street Journal, I took her knocking on doors in Ward 10. She wanted to see how it was done. I took her to the neighborhood near West High, and a couple of triple deckers there, whatever you call them, had been gussied up. They weren't like most of the others. And she had thought that gentrification was underway. She also thought there was a train in Manchester. How wrong she was. It's been a long time since there was one. Jimmy Carter gave us one to try to beat Ted Kennedy in the 80 primary. And Ronald Reagan took it away. She couldn't believe it. All the potential in this city. There are a lot of people that don't want to change. Here's a where you switch from one line to another.